If you want to see your notifications on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we have to open up our settings. Now scroll down to your notifications tab. Now choose your lock screen notifications. So here you may choose between notification styles such as dot, icons, and cards. So choose the desired style. Also, don't forget to turn on this option. If it's turned off, looks like this, simply tap on the switch, it will be on. Also, you may choose whether to show content or hide content, or you can press on this gear icon and choose which applications can send you notifications, right? Also, you can set up show alert and notifications only. If you want that, tap on the switch. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.